I would like to show you how to set up the Google form and how to use it for purposes of class or maybe some other functions that you haven't thought of, but I'm in particular going to show you how to create it and then how to use the embed code to put it into an LMS. First of all, you'll go over to Create and then Form. I was sitting in my list of Google Docs to click that to require them to sign in to see it. That really protects it. Or you could have, if you're using the one coordinated with your school, then you will automatically find out who. But if you wanted it to be completely anonymous, then unchecking will allow you to embed the form in many places beyond a school setting. So I want to keep it a text, but I could have checkboxes, or it's just like a survey. And here's my question. And I can make it required and done. And then if I wanted to go back and edit, I would just click here and I can add a new question or get rid of the second question, which is what I'm going to do. And the next thing I'd like to do is change the template into something appropriate for what I'm asking from them. Choose that one, and here's how it's going to look. So we're going to apply it. I'm going to embed, so it's going to give me an embed code. I'm going to save that. And next I will show you how to add it to a class. Here it is as an example. Here's one that I have added to a class already. There's the way it looks when I embedded it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you for me how easy it is to embed the code. Once I go into the class, I choose a resource called a label and I change it to HTML and save it. And here's how it looks. And let me just show you how it plays out. Please answer the question with 10 words or less to describe your best personal characteristics. Describe your best personality traits with 1 or 2 word descriptions. Good idea to start with. I am trustworthy and loyal. Submit. And here's the response they get. Then I'm going to go look and see how it appears for me. And here's the answer. Real easy to gather this information in one place. And for me, it is anonymous because I deselected. And I can easily get all the students' answers very quickly. It's somewhat like a clicker. I'd also like to show you what happened from my class when I asked them to contribute to the conversation, and it quickly shows me what they're thinking, and that questionnaire was right here. Why is it so hard to eat healthy? And here were their answers. The other application that I used it for was collecting information that I wanted to have handy in one place, and here is where all their information was. And I think you'll find that it's very useful and flexible if you can think of a function for your own purposes. I find that the beauty of it is instant feedback. You can make it anonymous or not. It's time-stamped, and you have all the data listed in one column. It's very practical. Thank you.